This is a 2003 Bourget Bike Works Low Blow. This bike was a collaboration between Bourget Bike Works and HyperPerformance R&R Engines to build not only a gorgeous looking Bourget, but to put a big inch high performance engine. The bike was actually shown on the R&R website for a while as their cover bike. It's a low mileage Bourget. It has 5,385 original miles on the odometer. The bike is in like-new condition with an absolutely incredible paint job. There's no dents, no chips, no scratches. It's just an excellent, excellent condition. Classic Bourget stitched seat. Has the patented oil in the frame system, which gives the bike a very low seat height, lowers the center of gravity, and just really enhances the handling of it. Now the engine is a 139 cubic inch HyperPerformance R&R engine. These folks have been around a long time building big inch high performance engines, and this bike has one. It has an S&S-D carburetor to feed those big cubic inches, a Jim's 6-speed overdrive transmission so you can get it out on the highway, Bourget Chrome dual shorty pipes. Absolutely beautiful bike. Rides good, handles good, has all the power a guy could want. Beautiful custom chrome wheels, front and rear, with matching rotors. 200 rear tire. Has a Primo 3-inch open primary belt drive. The cylinders are actually powder coated to match the color of the bike. The foot controls and hand controls are all made by Bourget. They are chrome. And the chrome is in excellent condition. There's no pitting, there's no peeling. Nice chrome handlebars, chrome mirrors. Bourget built this bike, they covered all the bases. HyperPerformance R&R Engine gave it all the performance you would ever need. The front end is all chrome. It has an inverted forks on it, which enhance the handling of the bike. This bike is an absolute blast to ride. It is a showstopper. awesome custom, but not looking for a trailer queen. Take a good look at this 2003 Fat Daddy Low Blow with an incredible monster motor in it. Covers all the bases with the incredible paint job. Great engine. Fantastic suspension front and rear. For information on how to put this beautiful bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com.